Is there a way to adjust the microphone settings on AirPods when callers can't hear me?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we'll be discussing an issue that some AirPods users may face: the people on the other end of their calls not being able to hear them clearly. This video will guide you through the steps of adjusting your AirPods microphone settings to ensure your voice comes across loud and clear.
Can I adjust the microphone settings on my AirPods?
While there's no built-in feature in the AirPods to adjust the microphone settings directly, there are a few troubleshooting steps that can optimize your call quality. If your callers are having trouble hearing you, there could be various reasons behind it. Your AirPods microphone might be dirty, it might not be selected as the input device, or there may be connection issues.
Cleaning your AirPods.
First things first, you need to ensure that your AirPods are clean. The tiny microphone grills can get blocked by dust or debris, which can significantly reduce sound quality. 1. Use a soft, dry lint-free cloth to clean your AirPods. 2. Avoid using sharp objects or aggressive cleaning solutions, as they can damage the devices.
Selecting the correct microphone input.
Next, let's make sure your device is using your AirPods as the microphone input. 1. Go to Settings on your device. 2. Select Bluetooth. 3. Find your AirPods on the list and click the info icon next to it. 4. Under the microphone section, make sure that the setting is set to automatically switch AirPods, or always left, or always right. By doing so, you ensure that your device is using the AirPods microphone and not any other built-in microphone.
Checking the Bluetooth connection.
Last but not least, a weak Bluetooth connection can result in poor call quality. Make sure your AirPods are properly connected and the Bluetooth signal strength is high. You can also try disconnecting and reconnecting your AirPods to your device to fix any temporary glitches. That's it, folks. With these steps, you should be able to improve the microphone quality on your AirPods for your calls. Remember, keeping your devices clean and making sure they're correctly selected as the input source can make a world of difference. Happy calling!